Okay, this is a video for lesson 2 of Math Models Unit 7. So this is going to deal with credit cards and how credit card interest is calculated. So the basic idea they're getting at here is when you use a credit card, if you don't pay the money back right away or at the end of the month, then you get charged what's called a finance charge, which is basically the fee that you pay for borrowing that money. So the first question is kind of a weird outlier. It doesn't really go with the rest, but we'll look at it real quick. Jason had a balance of $325.79 in his checking account. He used his debit card for the following amounts, and then it lists them. Does he have enough left to use his debit card for this amount? So basically the question, I'm not even going to do this one. I'm just going to tell you, you need to know, do these numbers, these values, the things he's spending, these amounts, are they more or less than this? If they're more, it means he can't make this purchase because there's not enough money left in the account. If these add up to less than this amount, then yeah, he can, because he hasn't spent all his money yet. So you just need to know, do these mean he's spent all his money? You could just do each one subtracted and then subtract the next one and the next one and the next one until you see if you get to zero. Okay. Now we talk about finance charges. So this idea here, this average daily balance, is the key. So the average daily balance is like, how much money had you spent on any given day? And so then they add up the amount you owe on average between all the days. So they're telling us in this first question, the average daily balance on his credit card is $327.50. His credit card charges 12.99 annual interest. What will his monthly finance charge be? So what you're going to do is there's two big ideas. First of all, you're going to multiply the number here, the balance, times this divided by 12 because it's monthly. Okay, so let me just show you what that looks like. I'm going to clear this out, clear all. Okay, 327.50 times, and then we're going to do the interest rate. Notice I changed it to 0.1299 divided by 12. So notice I did the 12.99 got changed into a decimal form by moving this decimal point 2 places because it's a percent, and then I divided it by 12 to account for the fact that we're just doing monthly finance charges. And so when I do that, I get 3.55, and there it is right there. So we're doing the average daily balance times the interest divided by 12. So let's look at this one. This is her average daily balance, and there's the percent. So we're going to go over here, and we're going to do 32.94 times, and then we're going to do that number in a decimal form, so 0.1525. All right, divided by 12. Again, every time we're dividing that by 12 to account for the fact that we're doing monthly. So her finance charge is only 0.42 or 42 cents. There we go. All right, so that's going to be number 4. That's going to be number 5. That's going to be number 6. And then I know for a fact that the rest of these problems are mistakes. So you do not need to do them. There is a mistake on the way that they did them. And before the test, we'll go over how to do it. I will post a video on these at the end. So that's it for this video.